Andrew Igbokidi is one of the participants of NBC's television singing reality show The Voice in 2022. He jumped on the opportunity to try out for The Voice. He had a dream and the talent to back it up. Andrew Igbokidi sings When the Party's Over by Billie Eilish on The Voice Season 22 Blind Auditions. Andrew Igbokidi got a four-chair turn with his gorgeously raw rendition of Billie Eilish's When the Party's Over. Igbokidi also revealed during the chat that he spent the last year applying to medical school and now that he was accepted into 4 different programs but realized he wanted to give his musical dreams a shot first. Andrew professed his love for West African music. John rattled off his relationships to artists in the genre. "I really believe you have the ability to stand out so much," he said. Andrew's mom, off to the side, asked him to choose John, which seems like the logical choice. Putting his questioner's comments aside, John continues to ask Andrew about himself. The Nigerian Arkansas native shares that he has been applying to medical schools and has even been accepted into 4 different ones. However, he is just as passionate about building a career in the music industry, telling the judges, "I really feel like this is my chance to pursue it." Even the pragmatist, John Legend took his time in deciding whether he wanted the young Nigerian hopeful on his team but eventually pressed his button after hearing the singer effortlessly soar through his first vocal run. Not only is he a singer but is also a basketball player. He played for the Lakeside Rams and was a varsity player there from 2016 to 2018. He graduated in 2018 from Lakeside High School in Arkansas.